Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to make different curve level to your wall. Okay, in this topic we are going to use Shiny Custom. So first I'm going to use straight line and I make a horizontal line. Okay, that one. I want to make a two part. So I make another straight line, but this time I make it into different level. So I drag it and I make it as for slanted shape. And then I click to the line, right click turns to arc to the both line, and then I adjust the curve high by clicking on the small yellow dot. Then you can delete the indicator line. Okay, so now you have your different level of arc. Okay, so you can adjust. And then this one I put batch for 100 to make it as the same as the picture just now. Okay, and then to put lighting, we go to library and go to we can go to section library. Okay, this one is bug. Delete this one back, click to lamp tube and drag and drop. So you can see on your 3D view you have the lighting already. So to connect the lighting, just put to another area. Okay, so you have your curved wall with different height. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.